All right. Okay. So this is again me, the Excel hero. So we will we will be learning today how to do the sampling distribution of the sample mean and the central limit theorem using Excel. Okay. So this is um, my reference book, the Statistics for Business Economics, Global Edition 14th edition. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have um, given here all of the details that we needed, and so for us to be able to explain it clearly and not writing well in the video. Okay, so as you can see here, for example, okay, we will put here we have here a battery. Okay, let's say the it is a popular battery here in the Philippines. Um, the popular battery here is um, it's a Amaron's battery. Okay, and it has 54 months. Okay, um, 54. Let's say 5 years. It claimed 5 years. Okay, so 60. It claims 5 years or 60 months. And the standard deviation they are claiming is around 6 months. Okay, so this is by months, right? All of these are months. So this is the mean life. This is the population mean as claimed by the manufacturer, 60, and the standard deviation on of 6 months. Okay, so let's assume that we bought some 50 samples from this battery. Okay, as you can see, we already have computed here the sample standard deviation. It's already been predetermined. Okay, so let's tackle that one later. Okay, so let's for example we bought some 50 samples of the battery and we decided to check if the manufacturer claim of 60 months is true. Okay, with the standard deviation of 66 months. Okay, so to do that, you know, we need to, as you can see here, we have already here the computation. We just need to we will use the 6 month standard deviation over the samples. Okay, we to compute for the test claim of the 50 and using the central limit theorem, we will use the samples here. Okay, the standard deviation, the 50 samples, the square root of the 50 samples, and the numerator as the standard deviation. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, okay, so here, since we find out the since we found the sample standard deviation by dividing the standard deviation of the square root of the samples, uh, our samples will be probability of 48 months. The probability that it will have a 48 months, um, less than 48 months battery life. So you just make it 5. Um, let's make it 15, right? So in order to get the true value, you need to uh, let you need to you need to have a difference between some uh, within the probability and mean life depends over the sun. Okay, so here we have 2.35. In order to get the probability, we need to function cell known this. So we have this one 92% probability. Okay, now if we want to widen this distribution, we will have probability high because the standard deviation is fast. So that's how it works. For example, we have to start with standard deviation like 5, then there is a lesser probability that the life from the sample or sample, okay, so the 50 samples, there is a less probability will have only 0.8% because it has a standard deviation. There is the maximum stagnation. Now, providing this one of 11 months, then there is a big chance of uh, having a life of the battery of low. Okay? So that's how it works. I hope it would help hope this video of mine help you in studying statistics.